Hey everyone, it's Miss Keenan again. Today we're going to be looking at adding and subtracting integers, and this should be a review for you. To start, we're going to make a T-chart, and we're going to set up our notes that way because that's the strategy we're using for adding and subtracting integers. So on one side you'll be adding, on the other side you'll be subtracting. When you make your T-chart, if the numbers are on the same side, you're going to keep that sign and add them together. If numbers are on opposite sides on your T-chart, you are going to subtract the numbers. So let's do some examples. Here's the first one, 8 plus 3. We know you already know how to solve that one, but we're going to show you how this works every single time. So 8 plus 3. The first number I have is 8. The first number is 8. So if I make my T-chart, I'm going to put 8 on the positive side. Then I have to look for the next number, which is 3, but I have to include the symbol in front. So that's going to be positive 3, also going on the positive side. Because it's on the same side of the T-chart, you're going to keep the sign and then combine 8 and 3 to make 11. So number 1 is positive 11. The second problem, negative 16 minus 4. Let's make our T-chart. Let's circle our first number, negative 16. So we put it on the negative side. And then our second number is 4, but we have to include the symbol in front, so it's negative 4, also going on the negative side. Because they're on the same side of the T-chart, you will keep the sign and combine. 16 plus 4 is 20. The last one has a star beside it because it is a little bit tricky. We have these two negative symbols right there, and what we're going to do with them is two negatives make a positive. So two negatives equals a positive every single time. And so what you can do with these two negatives is combine them to make one big plus. Then we just have 3 plus 4. We're going to make our T-chart for practice. 3 is positive. The 4, also positive. That means we're going to have a positive answer and on the same side, so we will combine them. 3 plus 4 is 7. Now let's go to the other side where we'll be subtracting the numbers. Here's the first one, negative 6 plus 8. Let's make our T-chart. Negative 6 is on the negative side. 8 is positive because of the plus sign. It goes on the positive side. Sorry, my 8's not very good, or my 6. Because they're on different sides, we're going to first look at which one is the biggest. And the 8 is the biggest. And because the 8 is positive, that means our answer will be positive. And because they're on different sides, we're going to subtract. So the difference between 8 and 6 is 2. Here's our next problem, 4 minus 8. So we'll make our T-chart. 4 is positive, and the negative 8 goes on the negative side. And because they're on opposite sides, we're going to find the one that's the biggest, which is the 8, and that's negative. So our answer will be negative, and we're going to subtract. So the difference between 8 and 4 is 4. So our answer is negative 4. The last problem we're going to do is negative 3 minus negative 6. It has a star beside it, just like the other one did, because it has those two negatives. But if you will remember, the last time we did that, 2 negatives makes 1 plus. And so we're going to take those 2 negatives and combine them together to make a plus. So then we have our T-chart, and we have -3, and then we have +6. And again, they're on opposite sides, so we're going to subtract. Let's find the biggest one. The biggest one is 6, so our answer will be positive. And then we have to find the difference. The difference between 6 and 3 is 3. So +3 is our answer. Thank you for watching our video. Talk to you later and see you later. Bye.